Hello and welcome to this session. In this session we're going to be looking at how we multiply and divide fractions. In the previous session we looked at how to add and subtract fractions. Multiplying fractions is actually the easiest part of fraction work. People think that there are loads of different steps to it because traditionally if you multiply numbers it tends to go on and on and on, such as the long multiplication method you looked at earlier. That's not true with fractions. All that you do, step one, multiply numerator. Step two, multiply denominators. So for instance, 3 over 5 times 2 over 10. Notice how the denominators are different. Well, that doesn't actually matter because we're multiplying. All that we do, 3 times 2 gives us 6. 5 times 10 gives us 50. 6 over 50. That's all that you need to do when you're multiplying fractions. It's the easiest part of fraction work. Just remember your two steps. Multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. Now we're going to look at something a little bit different. We're going to look at the division. Now divisions are a little bit more difficult. Back in the day there was a really complicated method that involves all these lines, and quite often you would get it wrong because you got lost off in what you had to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a different method that we use with our kids. We use something called keep, switch, flip. K, S, F. Keep, switch, flip. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a nice little grid that's going to keep us right all the way along. Okay? Now if we are given a question such as what is 3 over 5 divided by 7 over 10, again we might look at that and go, well, how do we do that? So what we're going to do is we're just going to write that sum out in this. So we're going to do 3 over 5 divided by 7 over 10. Okay, so in this column, keep. Well, what do you think we're going to do there? Well, we're just going to keep it the same. 3 over 5. Switch. So we've got the division symbol there. What can we switch that for? We could switch it for addition, subtraction, but we're going to switch it for multiplication because that's the opposite, isn't it? Same way as the opposite of addition is take away. Now flip. As it sounds, all that we're going to do is we're going to flip that fraction on its head. 10 becomes the numerator, 7 becomes the denominator. With that technique, all that we do is we're left with a multiplication of fractions. And you should remember that two-step method that we've just done. We multiply the numerator and then we multiply the denominator. 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 7, 35. That's a proper fraction, which means we don't actually have to do anything. I hope that you found these two methods very helpful. Please stay tuned for more.